Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here from YouTube, and in today's video, folks, we are going to be talking CKB, one of my favorites. So let's get into this. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. If you guys could please do me a huge favor and smash that thumbs up button, I would totally appreciate it more than you guys know. It really does help the channel grow, and I tremendously appreciate it once again. So what's going on with CKB? Well, we're seeing a little bit of some flash in the pan type activity the last few days. Currently, we got about another 3 hours left on the Bitcoin candle close, and we can see this descending triangle style consolidation that is happening at this moment. So right now, I do think that we will see CKB really kind of trade anywhere between this 0.00496-ish level and this 0.004120-ish level. One thing that I find interesting with CKB, though, right now at the moment, is the fact that there could be this inverse head and shoulders pattern that is forming. And to give you guys an idea of what an inverse head and shoulders pattern can do, here's a classic example of an inverse head and shoulders pattern. So are we going to see history repeat itself with my favorite CKB? In fact, I think I'm going to rename my boat CKB this summer. Let me know in the comments section if I should do that, and I will get that thing professionally painted or vinyl decaled on the back. So let's get into some seriousness here, though. So I do think that, this descending triangle squeeze, if things squeeze to the downside, I do think that we are going to see this 0.003286-ish levels. And I just noticed that for whatever reason, my Ichimoku cloud had gotten turned off. So let's get into this really quick. And we're just going to change some things around quick, I promise. This will be very quick here. So when we start looking at CKB and what exactly is going to happen for the next few months, we just really need to see what happens with this symmetrical triangle squeeze. One thing that I don't like about this is that price action is moving closer to this Ichimoku cloud, and this Ichimoku cloud on the daily chart is pretty thick. And as we know, whenever the Ichimoku clouds are thicker, it makes it tougher for the price action to really move through. So if we see one more stop down to the bottom, I do think that anything in this 0.0033-ish level might be a bargain to pick up prices. Not financial or trading advice. We're just looking at the markets here with an optimistic view. But you can see that there is this ABC corrective wave, and we just don't know if it is done correcting. Also, this green 750-day moving average is very important. And this thing really, we can see how price action is underneath this 750-day moving average, which is quite concerning to say the least, but tremendous growth could happen from buying in at these levels. The last time CKB was at these levels, it went on a monstrous climb. Let's see, we went and we almost did a 10x. So maybe we have another chance to do a 10x from here. Nobody really knows, but we're just going to have to wait and see what Bitcoin does and wait and see what this pattern does before we can really make any more judgments on what's going to happen with the markets, things like that. So really, I've been kind of lax on the channel the last week, the last 10 days. I've been working on some other projects, and the fact that crypto is down in the dumps right now, we're not really seeing that much viewership. And then the fact is that we've been kind of trading sideways. There just hasn't been a whole lot of updates for me to put out on CKB. So that is kind of where we're standing right now. Until the market can start moving in a direction, then we can start talking some potential price tags as to where we might think CKB is going. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button. I would truly appreciate it. And we'll see you guys all on the next video.